A very positive update. I turned my oven on. It is staying on. So as you saw, I put the phyllo dough in the bottom of this frying pan. I added in the sauce that we had cooked down. I took chunks of the chicken, which he said keep very chunky. Then I took that almond mixture and put over the top, and then I added the rest of the sauce. So here's where it is. And then the idea here is to take your phyllo and put it on to your mix, brush it down with some butter, and take the next one and do the same. They give you all kinds of warnings on keeping the phyllo from drying out, but in the time in which it's been sitting here, while I filled all this under 10 minutes, you can already hear it crackle a little bit. So I'm going to take this, kind of messy, and I'm going to continue to literally wrap it until we have a closed in pie, in a sense, with a phyllo dome. They say take the rest of the butter and just spread it out on top, trying to make sure everything's going to be tight. As you can hear, my oven has decided to play nice today, and we avoided a potential disaster, because here's what I was going to do. If my oven didn't work, I was going to turn on my outdoor grill. I was going to take this pan to put on the grates to try to hold back a little of the heat, and then I was going to turn it on very low, and I was going to take this entire frying pan and put it on that and put it in the outdoor grill with the cover closed, because this only works if you have a crust, and you cannot have a crust if I do it on the stove. So I'm going to put it in the oven right now. It says for an hour. I'm going to see. You know me, jazz hands, but I am going to watch it, and then we'll take it out together.